Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best central vacuum systems that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the HP Prolux 9880 Dirt Devil Central Vacuum System. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $264.55. Designed for convenience and compactness, it's perfect for small households or for use in RVs and boats. With a 7-foot to 35-foot expandable hose, it's highly versatile, and the included set of attachments, like the rug floor tool and dusting brush, ensures you're ready for any cleaning task. The build quality is decent, with a lightweight 21-pound frame and a compact design measuring just 14.5 by 7 by 6.25 inches. However, with a 1-gallon capacity and a flow rate of 100 CFM, it's clearly built for light-duty tasks. The bagless design with a cartridge filter makes maintenance simple, though you might find the capacity limiting for larger spaces. This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly, space-saving system. However, its lower power and smaller capacity mean it's not ideal for larger homes or demanding cleaning tasks. Pros include affordability, compact design, and versatility, while cons include limited power and capacity. It's a great starter central vacuum or a secondary unit for smaller spaces. At number 4, we have the OVO Large and Powerful Central Vacuum System, 700 air watts hybrid filtration. Priced at $543.22, this vacuum is a solid mid-range option for most households. It features a powerful 700 air watts motor with soft start-stop technology, which extends the motor's lifespan by 20%. The hybrid filtration system offers both bagged and bagless options, making it adaptable to your preferences. The build quality is impressive, with a rolled steel canister that adds durability. It's relatively lightweight at 27.2 pounds and has a 6.6-gallon capacity, which is sufficient for homes up to 7,500 square feet. The silent system technology, with its integrated muffler and noise-blocking foam, ensures quieter operation, which is a big plus for families or pet owners. This vacuum strikes a good balance between performance and price. It's great for medium to large homes, though it lacks some of the high-end accessories included with more premium models. Pros include powerful suction, hybrid filtration, and quiet operation. Cons include fewer included accessories and a slightly smaller capacity compared to higher-ranked models. Coming in at number 3 is the OVO 750 Air Watts Heavy-Duty Central Vacuum System, priced at $595.18. This model is a step up in power with a 750 air watts motor and the same soft start-stop technology to extend motor life. It's designed to handle larger homes up to 9,000 square feet, making it ideal for those with multiple floors or large spaces. The build quality is robust, featuring a rolled steel 6.6-gallon dust canister. The hybrid filtration system offers flexibility, while the silent system keeps noise levels low, even with the increased power. This model also includes a permanent machine washable filter, which reduces maintenance costs over time. The only drawback here is that it doesn't come with a hose or accessory kit, so you'll need to purchase those separately. Overall, this is a powerful and durable option for homeowners who value performance and longevity. Pros include exceptional suction power, quiet operation, and a long lifespan. Cons include the lack of included accessories, which may be a deal breaker for some buyers. Our runner-up is the OVO Heavy-Duty Central Vacuum System, Hybrid Filtration, 700 air watts, priced at $619.99. This model is a complete package, offering a powerful motor, hybrid filtration, and a deluxe 40-foot accessory kit that includes a horsehair floor brush, making it ready for use straight out of the box. With a 35-liter capacity, it can handle homes up to 8,000 square feet with ease. The design is focused on durability and convenience, with a rolled steel canister and integrated muffler for quieter operation. The soft start-stop technology adds to the motor's lifespan, and the hybrid filtration system gives you the choice between disposable bags and a washable filter. At 700 air watts, it's slightly less powerful than the top option on this list, but it still offers excellent performance for most households. This model is perfect for those who want a complete solution without the need for additional purchases. Pros include its comprehensive accessory kit, quiet operation, and durable build. The only con is that it's slightly less powerful than our top pick, which may matter for larger or more demanding homes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.